So welcome back everyone, and in this video I will be writing a C program to multiply two floating point number. Alright, by floating point number I mean two decimal numbers. Alright, so let's start. So I will be starting my program with a comment, that is a single line comment, and the comment is that is a program to multiply two floating point number. Alright, and let me put in this in bracket, that is a floating point number means decimal number. All right, means decimal number. Now we will be taking up the number from the user, and in order to take the number from the user we will have to use the function scanf. But from where that scanf function will come up? So to bring the scanf function in our program we will have to use the stereo.h library. So let's include that stereo.h library with the help of preprocessor, that is hashtag include. So hashtag include is the preprocessor and stereo.h is the library which will provide us the scanf function and the printf function. Alright, so scanf function will be used for taking input and the printf function will be used for displaying output. Alright, now we will be defining the main function, and since our main function is not going to return any value, so we will be defining it as void main. Okay, and now we will be defining two variables in order to save the number which will be given to us by the user. So to store that number we will be defining variables. So let's define variable. Now the important thing to note out here is that we are going to multiply two decimal number, and the data type for storing decimal number is float or double, but we will be using the float out here. Okay, so float number 1, that is variable number 1, and number 2, that is variable number 2, and we will be storing the multiplication value of these two number, that is number 1 and number 2, in a variable that is multiple. All right, now we will give the message to the user that please enter the first number, that is, and with the help of printf function of stereo.h library. So enter the first number, and we will use the /n, that is a special character which is used to change line. That is what this is going to do for us is that after printing this line the cursor will move to the next line. So I will do the commenting. /n is for new line. All right, now in order to accept this number that the after seeing this message enter the first line, the user is going to give us some number. So in order to accept that number we will have to use the scanf function of stereo.h library, and in order to accept the decimal number we use the format specifier, that is %f and n% num1. Okay, now what this will do for us is that the number which the user will give to us will get stored in this variable, that is num1. The same way we will ask for the second number, that is printf enter the second number, and /n. I think the idea of /n is clear, and we will accept that number with the help of a scanf function, that is %f and %num2. all right, so we have taken up both the numbers in num1 and num2, and now we will use the arithmetic operator, that is multiplication sign, to multiply this num1 and num2, and we will store that value, that is multiplication value of these two number in a variable, that is multiple. Okay, so multiple is equal to num1 into num2. So the multiplication value of these two number got stored in this variable multiple. Now we will print this value. So printf multiplication of, I'm extremely sorry I have used a single quote out here, this will be double quote. So multiplication of %f and %f is equal to percentage f. So the first percentage f will be replaced by num1. Okay, so let's do this. Num1, and the second percentage f will be replaced by num2, and the last one will be replaced by the multiplication value, multiple. All right, now semicolon. Now in order to watch the output of this program, we will have to compile this, but before compiling we will have to save this. So let's save this, save as, and make sure to save this file as .c extension, because we all are writing C program, and give the name like multi. You can give any name out here, but make sure to give mnemonics, that is meaningful name, and save. Now we will be compiling this program, so compile and run. So I'm getting some error. So what's the error? So there is a spelling mistake, multiple. Okay, so now execute this. So enter the number, enter the first number, that is 12.5, enter the second number 3.2. So the multiplication of 12.4 and 3.2 is 39.68. So I think the idea is clear now. That is a percentage I've got replaced with the number itself. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and comment if you have any type of doubt, and subscribe to my channel for this type of content. Thank you once again for watching this video.